The number one reason why I believe you are not getting any sales through your emails is because you don't understand your audience, right? So here's the thing, like, look at it this way. Is this you who's like sending emails but still no sales, low open rate, literally no clicks? You know why this is happening? Is because you don't know your audience. See, what type of people coming into a list is defined by the type of lead magnets you are posting, right? Let's say you are attracting an unaware audience through your lead magnets inside your email list. Now when they come join your email list, you are like directly selling your stuff, right? They don't even know you that much. They don't even know about what you're offering. They don't even know how your service or your course or your product can be useful. As a result, you get low open rates, you get zero to no sales. People just come and take the stuff that you are selling via your lead magnet and they like unsubscribing. So what you have to do is first make sure the lead magnet, you have enough idea about it, like what type of audience you are attracting via it. Then you should have a proper welcome email setup, which first make them aware of who you are, what you do, what type of products that you sell, and then it like sells people. So first you make them know yourself, your craft, your things, and then it all comes down to selling. So instead of just going and selling your stuff right away, you first aware the audience and then you sell your stuff. Use this simple hack and trust me, you will get a lot of sales from your emails, because that is something that I have used for a clients, generated 5k per month, like literally from zero, right? And that is something that is like that has worked in the past, so it will work for you too, right? So use this hack and do let me know how it goes. Now if you're someone who has like a huge list doing launches but not getting any sales, DM me, send me a connection request, right, with your queries, and I would love to make you an extra 10k right from your email list. So if this is something that interests you, right, DM me with email or reply under this post in use like emails as a comment, and I'll reach out to you and let's see how I can help you out. So if this one is helpful, do let me know, and as I said, do give this hack a go. Peace.